Hey viewers, welcome back to Rajka Garage. This video, I've ordered a seat cover and the backrest from Sahara Seats. So I just wanted to make a video especially on this backrest, which I found is very handy and very practical. Uh, it is kind of a plug and play thing. You don't have to do a lot of modifications and it looks decent. If you would have noticed, मैंने अपने हाइनेस में कोई ज़्यादा I have not put any aftermarket accessories. It's all stock OE accessories because I don't want to make this bike look jang pang with all the aftermarket accessories. Though there are a lot of variety available, but I thought of besides I'll say besides these two fog lamps and the this golden wrapping that I made on my uh, fork tube, there's nothing I've done or installed aftermarket. So these are the first things I'm putting as aftermarket on my Highness. And the best part I liked was, like I mentioned, this is removable whenever I want to, not use it, as if I'm not going on a long ride with a pillion, I'll just remove it. Whenever I want to utilize this, I will install it. So that's the best part, I thought. And I was curious about how it fits on the Highness because of this this jaw or clam type of a design. But thankfully they've given this bolt over here, Allen bolt, which goes inside the there is a hole in the grab rail. I'll just show that. Okay, so like I mentioned, this is a clam type of a backrest, and over here there is a hole in the backrest, and with the long seat, if you look at the grab rail, there is this hole over here. And what will happen, when you fit this grab rail or the backrest, you tighten this bolt which goes inside and prevents the backrest from tilting. Also in the jaw they've already installed rubber grips. I've just made a hole so that the Allen bolt comes out. There is rubber on both the sides, so it will tightly grab the grab rail. So I'll just start the fitting. Just information. I mean, this is what was told to me by Sahara Seats, that this hole is not available in the grab rail of the split seat. This is only in the long seat, in the single seat. Okay, so just a thing. These bolts provided are almost like cut to cut. They are 1-inch bolts, and that is the reason if you try to fit it, you have to press this jaw, these clamps, and I've used just a clamp plier or a lock plier that we normally have to lock it, so that I can tighten these bolts. And thankfully they've given nylock nuts. These are nylock nuts. They have a plastic washer or a ring inside, so they don't get loosened up in vibrations. So these are nylock nuts normally used in automobile industry. So great thing that nylock nuts have been provided. So I'm just going to fit that. मैंने already ये align कर लिया है, this Allen screw rather, with the hole on the grab rail, and I'm fitting it now. So I've assembled it, tightened both the bolts. These are 13 number bolts, and the Allen screw that has been given is, I guess, 4 mm. So where is my Allen key set? Okay, so the one that is provided with the Highness is a 5 mm one, so that won't be applicable here. I think this is enough. Okay. और मैंने इसको full tight किया है. I mean, if you can see, there is hardly any gap in this, the jaws now. So now what I'm going to do is just, try to sit and see how it, if there is any looseness I feel in terms of, if it's tilting. I don't feel. And in fact, when Sahara Seats had launched this one, I was, this curiosity was there in me. How would it hold on to this round grab rail, because if the grab rail would have been square, or it was a square pipe, then it would have been a different thing. But on a round pipe, but I think it's fitting there, it's going to stay there because of the rubber tubing that has been provided, as well as this screw that goes inside the grab rail pipe. So smart move. And like I mentioned, it's a plug and play kind of thing. If I don't want to use it, I'll remove it. I'll just fit the seat and show how it looks. Hey guys, so in continuation of the video on the Sahara seats backrest that I had put in the bike, which I was a little skeptical about whether it would take load or not. So what I did not want to risk any human. So what I did, I put some of my garage tools in this, along with a dumbbell. This must be anywhere around 35 kg for sure. Okay, it's completely pulled backwards and rested on the backrest, as if a 40 kg person is sitting on it. And what I did, when I did the test yesterday, I put a pillow in this bag, so that the gap between this bag and me, it compresses the bag, on the backrest further. Okay, and I did around 10-12 kilometers of purposeful bad roads, wherein I could get the or pass on the jerks, my jerks, my body. I have 82 kgs. This complete set would be, I am saying 35, but I think it was very difficult for me to pick it up and put it on. These are all garage tools, all the I mean, there is a whole set of this thing, but I took some heavy tools and put it in this bag, along with this sack. And the sack was able to push the bag backwards. And thankfully, with me 80 kgs, with the bag almost 40 kgs, the tools bag, along with the dumbbell, you can see there is a dumbbell as well. And the good thing was, this did not I was expecting, or I was getting the feeling that it might break. There were some comments put by few other guys that it broke or something. So I just tried it. I can still pull the entire bike with the help of this backrest. So it is I'll say good enough. That is what my experience have been with this experiment that I did. So it is serving my purpose, and I would like to keep the bike minimal as much as possible, and that's why I went for this one. So thank you for watching. A lot of people had been asking me, did I do the test or not? And yes, I did it. This is the result. So,